Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I forgot to film an intro. Well, I filmed an intro, but I deleted it. So I'm going to be in a red shirt, sorry. But I will be in this makeup, and I created this full face doing the Juno challenge. I'm using all and only their microfiber sponges, which are amazing, and you'll see in this video. Literally, they're so cool. Let me kind of show you one that's not that dirty. They have little fibers on it, and they just put on your makeup just so beautifully. You'll see powders, you'll see foundation, you'll see what works, what doesn't, etc. So let me know what you think. I hope you love this video, and I want you guys to try this as well because it was so much fun for me to make, so please enjoy. So let me break open these bad boys and let's get started. It's like Christmas morning opening these. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna use Lunaster. Is that what it's called? It's a Hydra-Lift primer. Oh god, I'm so nervous. I don't know why. Okay, let's do this. This is even the easy part, and like I'm so nervous. Formula foundation. This is in shade Light. Let's get this going. This is kind of dark on me, but you know, a girl's pale. She likes to look a little bit tan for winter, so. On to a concealer. For concealer today, I am going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape in shade Light. It's going to be very light compared to this foundation, but that's okay. We're just going to make it work. I'm going to go in with the more pointy one because I feel like it's easier to get in underneath your eyes with this one. Wait, should I have been drawing that on with the sponge? Am I doing this wrong? I hate my life. Alright. So now I'm going to set this with some powder. And I'm going to be using, so both of these were wet. I'm now going to be using a dry one for, I'm just going to set my entire face with some powder. I'm going to be using this Kat Von D Lock-It Powder in shade Petal. I'm almost out. Kat Von D hit a girl up. She needs some more. Alright. That was a lot. I feel like I actually might want to use the wet one, if that makes sense, because I feel like it'll press it into my skin, because like I'm not going to be able to wipe it away with a brush, so this will help me like press it in there, because these are not wet, these are like, they're barely wet, if that makes sense. Oh, I probably should not have done that. It looks like I messed it up. Alright, going back to square one. All this shine's going away. I'm looking matte. I'm loving it. Why do I look like Flashback Mary? Alright. So I'm just going to quickly spray my face with some CoverGirl Lock Up. This sprays like crazy, so my face, it's going to look like I just shoved my face under a faucet, but whew. Do you see how that sprays? It's like one shot. Feels good though. I don't know if I want to do brows or contour. We're gonna do brows. Oh, I'm so nervous. Oh geez. Oh my. Oh god. So we're gonna go in. This was literally $1. AOA Studio Wonder Brow Tinted Brow Pomade in the shade Caramel. I got it off of, what's that site called? Shop Miss A. So like, we're gonna see how it goes. I guess I'll open another one. a fresh baby. Oh, that was not peel porn at all. There we go. Brows. So I guess I'm just gonna like dip in the little point and like go from there, but like it's kind of like well used, so it's kind of gonna be hard. All right, let's try this. Oh god, I'm so scared. Oh god. Eyebrows are like very scary for me to do in general, like with a pencil. Like I'm just like not the best at eyebrows, so like this is scary. I can't even see what I'm doing. Ugh. Alright. Okay. She's coming along, got a little messy though. I think that's gonna work, actually. My Sephora Make No Mistake full coverage concealer. If I've not really seen a lot of people use this before. It's $14 at Sephora. I got it when I couldn't afford my Tarte Shape Tape, and since then I've been using Tarte Shape Tape. But it's a really nice concealer. Ooh. See, so much from this, like it saves so much product. I'm gonna have to redo my forehead again. See what I mean? Alright, this side was better. I think it's because I already knew what to expect from the other side. But I'm having trouble blending it into where I like baked, obviously, because like I'm putting a wet product on top of a powder product. And that's just not gonna mix in any situation, regardless of what I use, so. Alright, now I'm gonna go into contour. I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. We're gonna try a powder contour. Not sure how this is gonna work, but I'm gonna go into the middle shade. Just kind of like. Ooh, she looks good. I would totally wear that out. It's nothing much yet. I have to build it up, but like, because I'm going in really light because I was kind of nervous, but totally wearable. Okay. I don't know if I should be swiping or patting, but we're just gonna swipe because it seems to be working. So next, I'm gonna use the Tarte blush in Party. I'm nervous for the. Oops. Ooh, she looks pretty. I'm going to be using the Thirsty palette, and I'm going to be trying to put eyeshadow on with a freaking microfiber sponge. Woo! This is gonna be something. I'm very scared. I'm really excited though to see how it puts on the glitter. I'm gonna try it with the dry one and the wet one because it is like a glittery texture. I don't know if it would be better wet, kind of like with like a wet brush, you know what I mean? So a wet sponge. So I'm gonna start out with Parched. I'm just gonna put that all over my eyeball. This is like so pretty though. Like the sponge, blue, I'm living. I'm gonna go in with Taste Buds on like the tip of it. Oh god, I'm scared. Oh god, I'm scared. Oh. And I'm gonna like try to do it in my crease. And like, oh my god, it's kind of working. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's working! Ah! I don't have to do like eyeliner with this, right? Because like, that would mess up. Like, actually, I don't have any eyeliner to do it with, so. Hey. It looks pretty good, to be honest, like, not gonna lie. Okay, now I'm gonna go into Bitch in the Thirsty palette. This doesn't look half bad. Okay, yes, mama. Now I'm gonna bring it down to the lower lash line. Hello, Missy. Okay, but she looks good. Oh my god. I'm like so far away. Sorry. There we go. But like, it looks good. Just keep on going back in with Bitch. I'm going to go in with, what is that, Divine, and we're going to see how it picks this stuff up. I'm going to try it with the dry, and then the, oh, wow, that actually like picked it up really well. Can you see that? Like, that's nice. All right, and my card got full again, so hello. I'm gonna just keep going in with the Divine shade. Alright, and I'm gonna be using Benefit's Bad Gal Bang, one of my favorite mascaras. Look how pretty this mascara is. Honestly, this look isn't even bad. Like, it's cute. Like, the contour, it's nice. Time for highlighter. I'm going to be using two different highlighters. I'm going to be using a liquid highlighter, and then I'm going to use a powder on top of it, just because I like a lot of glow, and I feel like might as well try a dry sponge and a wet sponge. Why can't we do both, you know? Oh, this is so pretty. Wow. Ooh, look at that. That's gorgeous. Alright, and on top I'm going to be using Jeffree Star's Sarcophagus, because I feel like they match really well together. So I'm going in with a dry sponge now. Oh, she's glowing. Yes, mama. Oh, okay. I'm here for it. In honor of this video, I will be using Juno & Co lashes. These are one of my favorite lashes. They were only $4, and they have a beautiful, dramatic, just like, wait, I'll show you them. Well, you'll see them. I'm obsessed. I've been using them with every single one of my looks I've been posting for Halloween, but they're great as just like a normal lash too. Like, if you're a girl like me who loves just like in your face, like beautiful lashes, honey, check them out. $4, can't go wrong. Alright, I am back. So like I said, these lashes, like, look at them, guys. They are beautiful. Like, I'm obsessed. Like, I can't stop looking at myself. And then I just threw on a little lippy. It's Jeffree Star. I believe it's called Birthday Suit. And it looks actually really well. Like, it works really well with this color. Like, mama's looking good. Like, I'd go out like this, like, not even gonna lie. So all in all, this Juno challenge was a lot of fun, to be honest. It was tricky, especially for the eyeshadow and the eyebrows. I didn't really have faith in myself. I thought I was gonna completely mess it up, but it actually turned out pretty good. Like, not completely terrible, not completely the best, but like, I could go out like this. Like, this is totally acceptable. Like, it looks good. I loved the Juno sponge for the primer. The foundation application was great, as well as I was really surprised with the contouring and the blush, and it works really well with liquid and powder highlights. I really liked how it worked with all products, like the powdered products as a dry sponge, and then the wet products as a wet sponge. Like, they work great. I don't know, nothing else I could say. Like, $6 for this, what are you doing? Go order 12 of them, like, go. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe, you know, and then I challenge you to actually try these Juno sponges out and try the challenge. Do a full face with them. It was a lot of fun. It was tested my skills. I loved it, and it turned out pretty good, not gonna lie. So I want to see you guys. So tweet me them, you Instagram me them, whatever you want, but I want to see yours, whether it's pictures, videos, Instagram videos, stories, whatever it is. You private DM me it, whatever. I want to see it. So anyways, I love you guys. I hope you are having a beautiful night or day wherever you are, and I will see you next video.